Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a thumbnail on your TikTok video from your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok and upload a video. After the video has been uploaded, all you gotta do is click on this edit cover button. And upload a cover button is right here. Just click it and drag and drop a file or select a file right here. For example, I want to add this as my thumbnail. All I gotta do is upload this video and click confirm, and the thumbnail will be uploaded. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.